Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm super excited because I just got in the mail a package from btartbox and I don't have any nails on and I'm dying to put some nails on. So we're gonna go from start to finish, all the steps pretty much of how I do my gel extensions, and we're gonna be using these short almond tips from btartbox. And pretty much what I mean by pretty much is yesterday when I took my nails off, I did do my cuticle work and did a bad job. But we'll be okay. I'm not a professional. We're just doing this on ourselves here. So we're gonna do a little nail vlog. I hope that you enjoy this. And yeah, so I did my prep. And we're gonna do everything else. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Okay, so these are the short almond brighter pastel XCOATTIPS that we have here. I'm going to show you the shades that come in the box and we're going to decide what we're doing here. So we have a hot pink, a hot orange, lime green, blue, and purple, and these are with a nude base. So what I would like to do is pick a color out of these. I'm gonna do like the same color on the whole hand, and then we're gonna get started. Wow, can I like speak English? I really like this blue. We're gonna do blue today. So yeah, you get, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sheets of nails in this bad boy right here. They also sent me their builder gel and top set and their solid glue gel, which I'm so excited about. And I'm also going to be using, I already have this, their gel glue as well. I'm going to paint that down on my natural nail just so the glue has something to stick to. And this is a, how big is this? I think it's 20 grams. I'm not sure. I'll find out for sure. So we're going to use that. And so for my prep, like I said, I did a really bad job. So I'm sorry my cuticles look really bad, but it's okay. So I did that with cuticle remover, and then I washed my hands. I roughed up my nails with this nail file. Because I could use my drill, but honestly I like to use a file better. I've been realizing that 240 is not enough. Yes, my nails are damaged, but that's my fault from peeling off like press-on nails. But yeah, I wasn't prepping my natural nail quite enough. So yeah, what we're going to do next is size out our tips. I'm getting ahead of myself. Then we're going to dehydrate. We're going to prime, and we're going to use a bit of Young Nails Protein Bond. So I'm going to just size out my tips. I really like these blue nails, they're cute. So you just want to make sure that you fit sidewall to sidewall. You don't want any gaps, and you also don't want them to be too big. So I'm just going to do that really quick.